Spinach is known for its heart-healthy benefits. The presence of nitrates in spinach may help lower blood pressure by improving blood flow and reducing arterial stiffness. Research indicates that diets rich in nitrates can lead to better cardiovascular health. Additionally, the antioxidants in spinach can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two key factors in heart disease. Bone health due to its high vitamin K content. Spinach plays a significant role in maintaining bone health. Vitamin K helps in calcium absorption and bone mineralization, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Furthermore, spinach contains several other nutrients that contribute to bone strength, including calcium and magnesium, making it an excellent food choice for those looking to support their skeletal system. Eye health. Spinach is beneficial for eye health thanks to its rich content of lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that are particularly effective in filtering harmful blue light and protecting the retina from oxidative damage. Studies have shown that these compounds can help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts, two common eye disorders that can lead to vision loss as we age. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Spinach contains several compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, such as flavonoids and carotenoids. Regular consumption of spinach may help reduce inflammation in the body, promoting better overall health and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Digestive health. Spinach is an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is essential for digestive health. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and promote a healthy gut microbiome. Moreover, the high water content in spinach aids hydration, further supporting digestive processes. Conclusion: incorporating spinach into your diet can yield numerous health benefits, from improving heart health and boosting bone strength to enhancing eye function and reducing inflammation. With its impressive nutrient profile and versatility in meals, spinach is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to improve their overall health. Whether enjoyed raw, cooked, or blended, this leafy green can make a significant impact on your well-being. So, go ahead and add more spinach to your plate for a delicious and nutritious boost.